Afternoon, everybody. It is the first day of summer. Enjoying some outside. It is, sorry about the shakiness, about 100 and, let's say, 11. Just enjoying the fan. A little bit of a breeze, not much. Cold beer. And Lily. I'm surprised. I opened up the door and she goes, I went out. I'm like, okay, it's hot out. Just comes right out, goes around the table, goes in the corner, rolls down, says, all right. She's been out here for about 10 minutes. Usually it's about when I think she's going to call it, but I'm surprised. The old man came out for, I wouldn't even call it a minute. He came out, stood on the floor mat, looked left and right, probably 20 seconds, right back inside. Lily's like, are you talking to me? Nope. Chub chubs. Lily, Lily. Lily, Lily. I say her name enough, she'll get a little perturbed at me sometimes. It's funny. Hi. It's hot out, girl. Plop. Yeah, hi. What you doing, huh? Oh, aren't you a cutie? Well, the sun's going down and down. Pretty soon there's not going to be much shade there. It's getting close to you, so she'll be moving in about 30 minutes, 40 minutes anyway. She'll either want in or she'll go find her favorite spot under the bushes over there, so. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Say bye, Lily. Lily, Lily. Yep. All right.